Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbag with this Porsche 986. Boxster was told to us, so we had a problem with the actual front lid not opening, and we couldn't change the battery because the battery was dead. So we had to actually pull everything apart, and finally found the cable. The cable was basically shoved in there somewhere and very hard to get to, so it took a long time for me to get it, but I finally get it out. And then we have replaced the actual. I took the seat out as well. Took the seat out before, checked the actual alarm box, make sure there's no water damage on the alarm box. There's no water damage in the alarm box, so that's, thanks for that, that's good because they are expensive. And then we have replaced the battery and we have replaced the actuator for the front boot. So now we're going to test it to show what we've done. So it's all good now. That's open. And we have a brand new battery as well. Vada. It's a Vada battery, which is a good one. So when you're actually replacing any battery on your European cars, or try to use a good brand battery because they give you a good warranty as well on a Vada. So that's all done. Basically all done. So I can lock it now. Everything's back together. That was all in pieces there. I took it apart. That's working. And what else? And the roof. I'm gonna talk to the customer if he wants any roof rods replaced on his Boxster, because that's not working. It's basically broken. Needs to be replaced. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.